So this is what we have done by we are proving converse of Pythagoras theorem, wherein it is given AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. You have to prove angle B equals to 90 degrees. So we do a construction wherein we say in triangle PQR, draw PQ equals to AB and QR equals to BC and angle Q equals to 90 degrees, join P to R. Then in triangle PQR, since angle Q is 90 degrees, by Pythagoras theorem we get PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. But PQ की जगह पर AB लिख सकते हैं because they are equal. QR की जगह पर BC लिख सकते हैं again because they are equal. So we get PR square equals to AB square plus BC square. But we also know AB square plus BC square is AC square. Therefore, PR square equals to AC square and hence PR equals to AC. Done till here? Please let me know. If you all have done till here, then we'll proceed further. Okay. In the two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB equals to PQ, BC equals to QR by construction. ये हमने construction में किया है. And AC equals to PR, what we have already proven just before this, equation number 3. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by SSS test. Therefore, angle B is equals to angle Q. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles, CPCT. Okay. Therefore, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle B equals to, we know angle Q equals to 90 degrees by construction. Therefore, angle B also equals to 90 degrees. This is what we have to prove. Therefore, angle B is equals to 90 degrees. ये हमको प्रूव करना था. Okay, copy till here, then we'll look at the examples now. We have lot many examples to do and little less time. So let's see how much we can do. Copy that also with the diagram. In the figure, angle ACB equals to 90 degrees and CD is perpendicular to AB. CD is perpendicular to AB. We have to prove BC square upon AC square equals to BD upon AD. This is what we have to prove. So let's see. If you'll have finished this, then I'll erase it. Finished with this? Can I erase it? हो गया ना सबका ये लिखकर? Now let's see how to prove this one. Let's see how to prove this one. Let's see. So now let's look at triangle. We already know triangle ACD. Okay, triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABC. Similarity in right angle triangles we have already done. Therefore, AC upon AB equals to AD upon AC. Bring this AC this side. Therefore, AC square equals to AD into AB. Call this 1. Now, the other two triangles, triangle BCD is similar to triangle BAC. BCD is similar to triangle BAC, or you can say if you wanted ABC, then you'll have CBD. Okay, but this we have written so that it's easier to write the sides. That is BC upon AB equals to BD upon BC. Bring this BC this side. So you have BC square equals to BD into AB. BD into AB. Call this equation number 2. Okay. So now we want what? BC square upon AC square. So BC square upon AC square equals to BC की जगह पर क्या है? BC square, that is BD dot AB upon AC square. AC is AD dot AB. This is from 1 and 2. AB cancels. Therefore, BC square upon AC square equals to BD upon AD. This is what we have to prove. Please copy till here, then we'll move to the next sum. If you have done this, please let me know, then we'll proceed further. हो जाए तो बताना प्लीज. किसी का भी हो गया है, कंप्लीट हो गया है? अब्दुल अहद, गुड. इहान, रिजा, आप लोगों का भी हो जाए तो प्लीज बताना मुझे.